Kagara, Bino, Kagara. Kagara, Bino, Kagara.
I can confirm that the minister is right. We are on 95% progress. We are on the final stage of the project that is including procurement and equipment to bring to here, like a mobile control tower, generator, power system, and navigation system. It's planned, and hopefully that this project will end in September 2025. We have some challenge, but I hope with the ministry and the minister we will solve it, and we will move ahead and complete this project.
This project began in 2018 and had to be completed in 2022. As a contractor, what could have delayed this?
Basically, as the minister said, and he's right, as you know, all the world was affected by the COVID-19. So we affected here also because the COVID-19 in Uganda, also it's affecting the procurement for overseas to bring to here the equipment. Everything was delayed, the transport on the sea was delayed. So this is a majority. Also there was increase of quantity here and change of some design here. You take all together all these details, it creates extension to the project, but as I said, and we can confirm that next year we will finish the project in September 2025.
To do our oversight role, Kabalega International Airport, which was formerly Kabalega International Airport. Kabalega International Airport was the project name because this is Kabale area, Kabale village, but later through cabinet we named it Kabalega International Airport. This airport, the name was already gazetted. Now the Civil Aviation Authority is working very fast to gazette the airport as per the requirement by ICAO. Those are the ones who manage all aviation issues. This airport, the construction works commenced in 2018. Today we are 6 years down the road. We should have finished like 2 years back, but there is that issue of COVID-19 which hindered most of the projects across the world. Those were like 2 years wasted, workers couldn't do any work because of the sickness of COVID-19. But as we speak now, the works are in high gear and we are up to 95%. You have seen the runway, they completed, but now they are doing additional layer of grooving, such that it is safe for those big, heavy aircrafts. One aircraft carries about 600 tons of cargo. The ones going to carry the heavy oil refinery equipments so that they land here safely without any accident. You have seen the terminal. It is being completed. They are installing electricity lights and those other electric gadgets. Then also you have seen the firefighting area is finished. Then also you have seen many things. And also the 5% remaining includes the heavy generators which are going to bring to land the different systems. The mobile control tower which will control the landing, electricity connection to this area and the water. Then also installation of a few minor equipments in the buildings. That one will bring it to 100%, and we hope by September of next year we shall be able to commission this airport to receive the heavy aircrafts which will be carrying the oil refinery equipments. Then after that, we are doing the feasibility study to update it, to embark on the second phase for the passenger services. Because people would wish to land here internationally, we have a lot of tourism here in the Bunyoro sub-region. Then also those connecting to the northern Uganda, they would also prefer to land here directly. They cross through Masindi, they go to West Nile, northern Uganda. Even those will be coming for the oil projects and other conferences. So that's the viability of us having this international airport here, and it will be bigger than the Entebbe airport for the purposes I have told you. We know the contractor who has been here is not even from Africa, and he has good experience. He has done some other airports and other projects outside Uganda, even Uganda. And we gave him a clause in the contract that 90% should be our own Ugandans. And for the last 6 years, our own Ugandans have got money here. They have been working and being paid. And those who had skills have gained more skills from here. But however, the skills they have got cannot guarantee them that we should get rid of those people from outside Africa to come and help us to construct airports. But now it is our role as government, the ones who have got little skills, to take them for further studies. In some years to come, they also get the same skills like those who have been coming from out. And we shall take on that because Uganda is developing and we need to empower our own scientists. But however, there are those who had skills and they have gained electrical skills, mechanical skills. They can do even without these other contractors from outside Africa. That's where we are now today, and currently we are recruiting workers through Civil Aviation Authority, a few of them, and we shall also get those who are already in the system to come and teach those who will come, so that by September next year, we have people on the ground. Where we are, adjacent there is going to be an industrial park, and just a few kilometers here is where the oil wells and the oil refining is being done. So really, it's just viable that this airport was needed to be here. Our project has costed us 1.188 trillion Ugandan shillings. And so far, we have spent 1.08 trillion Ugandan shillings. Our idea at first, the money was not reaching 1 trillion, but what increased it to 1 trillion point something, one was the price escalation. By the time we started this project, the sack of cement was 20,000. But now as you go to the market, it is 37,000. Then also, the changes in some of the designs, like maybe the tiling they anticipated, maybe water could go this way. Now with advice changes, those are the few things which has brought a slight increment on the price which we have invested here. We had challenges like 2 years back, you remember, when we came here, and that confusion was being caused by our bad people in the government. But later, we harmonized and the project is moving on well. That's why you see now, there's something you can show the country and people can visit to see there is value for money. Even if it was a loan, of course, we got money, a loan to work on this activity at first. When the money got finished, we also used our own government of Uganda money in this current budget we are in. But this money we borrowed will be refunded back using the taxpayers' money. So it was just viable for us to closely monitor this project as Ministry of Works and Transport, such that we deliver the work. Even if we're using taxpayers' money to pay back the loan, we are paying for something we have received. I have seen loans coming, they don't perform well, but at least we see here. And by the time we come back in January, there will be a lot of change. If they showed you were standing here, the lighting of this airport at night, you really appreciate for the good work done. So far the aircraft come and test all of these instruments here. It has already come, and all the tests have passed, which means the people are handling this project together with the supervisors. They handled it with care. They will give you that video of how the area view, both day and the night. You see, really appreciate there is good work. So this one goes all to the government officials handling critical projects like these ones. We must handle such a projects with the heart of patriotism. That what we are doing is for the entire country, even after given politician, after given technical person retiring, the project should remain, because we have seen people borrowing money, the loans come, but at the end all money disappears. And now government pays back, paying for nothing. So we are happy for this, and we shall continue monitoring other programs and bring on board more both international airports and the regional aerodromes. Thank you. Kabalega Airport eno eri wano ekintu bakiyita Kabale. Mukimanyi bulungi government of Uganda yateekamu esente empitirivu okulaba nti esima amafuta gaffe okuva wansi eyo mu ttaka. Ate amafuta gano gasima kulina kubaako ebyuma ebigasima n'entambula ennungi. Government nefuna ettaka lino, kino kyali kibira nga mulimu n'amayinja, kyova lwaki bakiyita Kabale. Government nefuna ssente okuzimba ekisaawe kino ekigenda kugwako ennyonyi ennene. Ennyonyi ennene ze bayita Antino 256 esitula kago nga wa ttani 600 mulundi gumu. Ennyonyi zino tezisaggwa entebe kubanga nnene nnyo, ze zigenda okubanga zigwa wano nga zireeta ebyo ebyuma bigenda kusima amafuta kubanga bizitowa nnyo. Ekisaawe kino twakitandika omwaka gwa 2018. Kimaze emyaka 6 nga bakizimba. Emirimu gyakosebwamu ku lw'emyaka gye twamala 2 ya COVID. Emirimu nga tetambula bulungi neyimirira, naye singa teyali COVID singa twakimala dda. Nemabega ne tutuuka ng'ensimbi tezikyawera bulungi kubanga esente zaali zigenze mu COVID. Ekisaawe kino we tutuukidde kaakati kiriko budget ya trillion 1.1 188 trillion mu sente za Uganda. Then ku sente ezo twakaspendingako 1.08 trillion obukadde sente za Uganda ze twakateekako ku kisaawe kino. Omulimu mugulaba runway mugirabye, eri terminal mugirabye, the apron mugirabye n'ebintu ebirala. So far tuli ku 95% okulaba the first phase egwa, kubanga first phase gwe mulimu oguli expensive nnyo. Kati nga otumiridde wano ku runway okugikola etwala sente nyingi, kubanga bagitandika wansi eyo mu feet singa 30 nga bagizimba okudda waggulu. Bino yosinga nnyo okulya sente, ate nekyasingamu tukosa wano price escalation ku lw'entalo ezaaliwo wabweru ne covid. Ebintu byalinnya ebbeeyi kubanga twakitandika sementi yali ya $2,000 kati eri $3,700. Tusuubira omwaka ogujja omwezi gw'omwenda kijja kubanga kiwedde. Nje tuyise first phase okusaabaza kago ebyuma ebinene ebigenda kujja wano nga bitwala mu mafuta. Twasalawo tukiteeke kumpi ne basema amafuta nti eze motoka zonna enene zanditambudde okuva e Kampala okuvaawa ziviire wano nga negenda straight. Kati amafuta gaffe gali kumpi awo tusima, ate wano wonnyini kumpi wano bagenda kuteekawo industrial park. Tukimaze kisaawe, tuli basanyufu nnyo kubanga ku lwa government y'NRM okufa ku bantu, kubanga amafuta gano bwe gajja government ebyenfuna biba byeyongera. Ate naffe kisaawe kino bwe tumala second phase egenda kuba ku passenger services, kubanga eno international airport ejja kuba esaabaza abantu abafuluma wabweru w'eggwanga n'abo abatambulira munda mu ggwanga. Kati awo phase eddako okuzimba terminal ennene n'ebirala ebigenderako okulaba nti twetegekera bapassenger abagenda kubanga bajja wano abafuluma wabweru w'eggwanga n'abayingira ggwanga. Wano watuli wano tuyina tourism attractions nyingi nnyo wano mu Bunyolo, ate n'ekirala bangi bajja kubanga bakola business mafuta nga tebaagala ate okugwa Entebbe batambule ku kkubo ez'essaawa 2, bajja kubanga bagwa no direct babere nga bagenda kukola emirimu gyabwe. Mulabye amakubo aga accessing airport tumaze okugakola, kati tuli mu final touches n'ebirala tulina okutereeza okulaba nga omwaka ogujja omwezi ogw'omwenda ekisaawe kino tukiggulako mu butongole. Juzi twafunako ennyonyi ejjo kitestinga, bajja bibalaga video muzirabe. Ennyonyi yajja kutestinga erabe ebintu bye bakoze bikana n'omutindo ogw'ensi yonna. Mujjukirako emabega awo emyaka 2 eyise emabega waliwo kulwanagana kw'amaanyi nga tugamba there is no value for money, ate nebimala nebiterera kubanga confusion yali eva mu bantu baffe aba government bennyini, naye twamala tugitereeza. Kyovera kati omulimu gwa contractor gwakoze mulungi, ate contractor gwe tuyina ali expert mu kola ebisaawe, akoze ebisaawe bingi mu nsi yonna, ate n'omulimu gwatuwadde gwa njawulo na advice gyatuwadde. Era bannayuganda balina okuba basanyufu kubanga esente zaabwe zetukozesezza yadde nga yali loan naye era tusasula, ate nga tusasula loan nga tukozesa sente z'omuwi w'omusolo. Tuli basanyufu okulaba emirimu gituuse wano, ate tusuubira nga bwe mbagambye omwaka ogujja tujja kukomawo wano ekisaawe kino tusobole okukiggulawo kitandika okukola nga bwe tulinda okutandika second phase. Saawa zino mbagambe tuli ku percentage ya 95, then %5 ebulako okuconnectinga amasanyalazi wano, okuconnectinga amasanyalazi ogatusa ku kitundu kino, okuconnectinga mbagambe okuconnectinga amasanyalazi ogatusa kitundu wano, then okuconnectinga amazzi ogatusa ku kitundu wano. Ng'ovudde ku mazzi n'amasanyalazi mulaba ne runway bali mu giguruvinga. Juzi mwalaba Entebbe twafunako accident, ennyonyi emu neva ku runway negenda mu nsiko, naye kati bakola grooving, ennyonyi zibwe ziri heavy tesobola kuvaako. N'ekirala ebisigadde bya technical munda, masanyalazi, mataala, ebintu bwe biti electric okulaba nga babimaliza, naye emirimu esinga ewedde n'okulaba ebintu bye baakola mulimu ene defect bagiddemu, kati 5% emaze okusigala, n'okuleeta ebigenerator ennene ebyuma ebitera kukola bicontrol tower ebimu ebicontrolling ennyonyi, naye the order zatandise tusubira eye percent esigaddeyo okulaba nti ekisaawe kino kiggwa bakitukwasa tusobole okukikola. Waliwo ennyonyi ezijjawo nga mu kutestinga ne zigwawo bulungi ne zibeera nga zitama, naye emirimu yesigaddeyo eya tekiniko mpola mpola.
Vai bulungi nga wajagala. Kasikijanga kona.